Alright guys, quick update. I took the Z2, get some work done, and man, what a difference upgrades make to an extremely old car. I ended up getting a brand new transmission mount, differential mount. I got a new aluminum flywheel and a new kind of street performance clutch from ACT, along with a stainless steel braided clutch hose. And I wasn't used to it, and I almost pretty much just stalled the car as soon as I engaged the clutch and disengaged it as I was, going into first gear. So took about a 30-minute drive, and I pretty much got used to it. Definitely noticed a difference with the new, transmission and differential mounts. They're both solid. So the car is firm. It rides really well. I think to complete, the suspension part of the Z31 is just to get some coilovers. I think that would be kind of like the chef's kiss. I'm taking the Z31 just to get used to it. It definitely feels, like I said, it feels good. It's moving. Just driving it around here, but it feels solid. I got the transmission mount and differential mount from Apex Engineering. Highly recommend. They have a whole bunch of parts for the Z31. There's not that many suppliers for Z31 parts, but let me show you guys around. So just give you guys a quick walk around. It's actually a really nice sunny day, but you can't really tell. Damn, it's windy. It's a little windy, so but yeah, Z31 looks good. Definitely needs a new paint job, that's for sure. So it's looking clean though. It's coming together, aside from the paint job like I mentioned. Yeah, so I've done a couple things to this thing where slowly but surely it's coming together. Yeah, pretty good. If you guys have any questions, comments on the type of videos you guys want to see more of, let me know. Maybe a run through of all the parts that I've bought for the Z. Some of the more noticeable ones, are the big brake kit. But yeah, the Z31 is coming together. Definitely want to do another kind of track day once I get the new coils. A lot of people like the power tricks, but I've heard a lot of good things, especially from the people over at Feel. So I'm rocking the Feels as soon as I get some funds. This upgrade, like I mentioned earlier, was a big hit. So now just save up, then take it one day at a time, pretty much. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see more of, especially since I know there's not a lot of Z31 kind of creators out there. So yeah, open to seeing what you guys want to see more of.